Welcome back, Learn Short and Typing with विकास सर. द हिंदू एडिटोरियल डिक्टेशन बैक इन द गेम, यानी कि खेल पे में बैक. इंडिया मस्ट कोऑपरेट विद द यूएस. इंडिया को कोऑपरेट करना चाहिए यूएस के साथ ऑन वैक्सीन ट्रेड में एंड लेवरेज क्वाड फॉर रीजनल स्टेबिलिटी में. ओके, लेवरेज क्वाड फॉर रीजनल स्टेबिलिटी, ये इंडिया और यूएस को लेकर आर्टिकल है. हम डिस्कस करेंगे 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स. ओके स्टूडेंट, जो स्टूडेंट हमारा डेली की डेली द हिंदू की डिक्टेशन को देख रहे हैं, लिख रहे हैं या उनको नोट कर रहे हैं वर्ड को, मीनिंग को, उनके लिए काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा आने वाले स्किल टेस्ट में, जो 21-22 अक्टूबर का आपका स्किल टेस्ट है. चलिए, बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's summit meeting with US President Joe Biden and his first in-person meet of the quadrilateral security dialogue mark an important step forward in India's engagement with major global powers as it seeks to revive its economy and strategic role in the aftermath of the COVID-19 crisis. At the heart of the two leaders' meeting was the issue of vaccine availability and a critical victory for the Biden administration as it received Mr. Modi's assurance that as the world's largest vaccine manufacturer, India would resume supplies to the global COVAX pool under its vaccine Metri program. The breakthrough comes after turmoil in this space earlier this year when India halted exports after facing criticism for domestic supply bottlenecks as it contended with a devastating second wave of COVID-19. Around the same time, the US also invoked its Defense Production Act, effectively preventing the export of raw materials for vaccine manufacture in a bid to privatize domestic production. With both countries now moving towards on their domestic vaccination programs, albeit with the US still struggling to overcome vaccine hesitancy in certain states, the summit provided them a timely opportunity to take up long pending conversations on trade, defense ties, and more. At the confluence of those two areas was the reaffirmation by Mr. Biden that India remained a major defense partner, making it a key nation with which Washington could share information and strengthen cooperation in advanced military technologies, including, for example, a recent project to co-develop air-launched unmanned aerial vehicles. Issues of global concerns, including the ongoing pandemic, climate change, technology, cooperation, supply chains, and security, and preserving a free and open Indo-Pacific were themes that came up at the Quad gathering. Following on the heels of the first virtual summit of the four leaders in March 2021, this meeting builds upon the intention of the Quad member nations, India, the US, Australia, and Japan, to ensure an Indo-Pacific region free from coercion and disputes solved in accordance with international law. While India has sought to disassociate its role as a member of the Quad from the recently announced Australia, UK, US AUKUS partnership, there is a little doubt that the creation of a fleet of nuclear power submarines for Australia under the AUKUS framework will have significant and positive implications on India's strategic calculus regarding the Indo-Pacific region. From New Delhi's perspective, health concerns and economic revival remain at the very apex of the policy agenda. This is a time for India to rapidly deepen cooperative initiatives with the US regarding vaccines and trade, and continue engaging vigorously with the Quad for regional stability. That is the optimal strategy to navigate the uncertain global ecosystem that it now finds itself in. Full stop. स्टूडेंट ये आपका आर्टिकल था आज का, आप इसको टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद आप इसको मैच कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।